girl, baby boy, you right there watching me? You got this.
Finally, I just want to give out any word of encouragement to just probably people, being unsure about this season and what it means because you're a girl where you know how to pivot. What kind of advice would you give to anybody right now who kind of unsure, like how make a bounce back, how make a still maintain my brand in a season like this?
Baby girl, baby boy, you right there watching me? You got this, all right? This season is not your finale season. And when I'm talking to you, I'm telling myself this as well. Sometimes things happen that throw us back, or unexpected things, in this case, Hurricane Melissa, where I wonder, okay, how are we going to do this? How are we going to do that? But stay strong, be resilient, do not lose focus. Stay focused on the brand. You might think you had it like this, but you might have to go so around at one part and come back again. You understand? The path to success is never straight. And I want to say, as long as you're doing something towards your goal and your aspirations, you're doing it all. You understand what I'm saying? So I want you to keep focused. Don't worry about the noise. Don't worry about I don't say don't worry about your surroundings, but just try to keep your eye on the prize, because the reward at the end is going to be greater. And when you're looking at it now, you're going to look back and be like, what was I worrying about? So I just want you to say that I love you, if nobody told you that, and keep focused. And baby, you got this.